Hello everyone, my name is Riza and I am a digital product seller. For today, I'm going to share with you how I verify my listed digital product idea, if it's okay to sell or if it's already saturated. I actually created a to-do list of the things that we need to prepare before we even create our Etsy store. So ito yon. So now, the next step, we will do keyword research to identify demand and competitors. And gagamitin natin yung two useful tools na ginagamit ko sa pag-keyword research sa Etsy. So, here it is. I actually use eRank and Everbee to identify demand and competitors. But yung eRank is marami kayong pwedeng magawa dyan. But most of the time, ang ginagamit ko lang sa eRank is yung keyword research tool. So, here is the dashboard. You can just search erank.com, create a free account, and then, eto, pwede nyong i-connect actually yung Etsy store nyo. Makita nyo, merong quota for free account, which is 50 searches. And if you want to upgrade your plan, here are the prices. Now, let's go back sa keyword research tool, sa keyword tool, and search natin yung digital product idea natin. So, let's say Canva templates, since marami talagang demand for Canva templates. Pero tingnan natin. Yun, makita natin sa searches, marami talaga siyang demand. That doesn't mean na hindi na kayo pwede magbenta ng Canva templates kasi saturated na siya. Canva template kasi na keyword is masyado siyang broad. So, isip pa tayo, i-niche down pa natin siya para makita natin kung ano bang klaseng Canva template ang pwede nating ibenta. Makita nyo average search green, so that's good. That means good. Pero yung Etsy competitors are red, so that means hindi maganda yung data. That means saturated na yung specific digital product. So, gagawin natin, i-niche down natin siya. Let's say, Canva website templates. Hindi na siya masyadong broad, specific na siya. So, makikita natin, ang ganda ng colors, wala ng red, maraming searches, and yung competition is green pa rin. Ibig sabihin, konti lang. That means, pwede natin siyang ibenta. Maganda yung data niya. Now, let's go sa Etsy.com, sa marketplace, para i-search natin yung digital product na possible na pwede natin ibenta. Yung makita natin, Canva website templates. So, ngayon gagamitin naman natin yung Everbee para makita natin kung ano yung mga tags na ginagamit ng competitor. So, basically, it is a competitor research. Tignan natin kung how competitors doing with that specific niche. And then, Everbee is very helpful to determine that. So, Canva website template, i-search nyo, i-filter natin siya ng star seller. Titignan natin yung bestseller, pero how you can do that is go to all filters, check star seller badge, show results, and then so ang gagawin nyo sa URL, papalitan nyo yung star seller ng bestseller para lumabas yung bestseller ng mga Canva templates. So, scroll lang kayo dyan, get 2 to 3 bestsellers, and then i-check natin sila isa-isa. Kung ano ba yung mga keywords na ginagamit nila, yung titles nila, yung mock-up photos nila, and And also, you need to consider the price of the competitor. Hindi nyo sila pwedeng kasi kailangan, kung hindi man exact level ng price ng competitors yung price nyo, hindi siya dapat ganun kataas, and hindi rin siya ganun kababa. And of course, you need to consider Etsy fees when you are pricing your digital products. Well, paano nyo pala makukuha yung Everbee? Go to Google, search Everbee, Google Chrome extension. So, extension siya, i-add nyo lang siya, or i-download. Then, pupunta na siya sa extensions nyo, Google Chrome extensions nyo, and then, ayan na siya, pwede nyo na siya magamit sa Etsy marketplace. So, as I've told you, limited lang din yung features niya, so hindi nyo makikita yung monthly revenue and yung sales ng listings na to. Ayan, naka-lock siya, but you can see the tags na ginamit. ng competitor or ng shop na yun sa specific listing na to. So, pwede nyo siyang gamitin sa listing natin. Suggest ko kunin nyo na yung mga tags na yon, and then gumawa na kayo ng copy or i-copy paste nyo na sa Excel file or kung saan man, and then after that create nyo na rin yung title. Make sure na yung first 3 words ng title nyo is yung main keyword na nakita natin or na-research natin. So that's it for doing the keyword research. And then, pwede natin i-check to sa to-do list natin. Meron na tayong digital product, finally. And next step is gagawin na natin yung digital product na yun. So, we will create our digital product in Canva. And kung wala pa kayong account sa Canva, pwede kayong gumawa ng free account. So, yeah, let's create our first digital product.